We just went over those. I went right down in the middle, flipped over. We got to about here. The boat was filled with water. We lost it down there. The news is somewhere down there. And the three of us are landlocked with one boat. And this is my first time in a kayak. So we found a place to get back in past the rapids. Since there's only one boat, Steven's going in, see if he could find the two boats we lost. And AJ and I are gonna try to continue along the walking path, but it kind of is divided by a waterfall. And now we wait. We just wait. Here comes my baby to the rescue, and he found my boat. Apparently Venusa is back at the truck with AJ's other boat, so all boats present and accounted for. Well, 3 boats, 3 oars, 3 people. Here we go again. There's the hero that caught both boats, Venusa. She caught the easy side of the rapids, but she rescued both of the boats. So we never did find where we were parked, but we found the freaking campground. So we just pulled in and we're dragging the boats back to the campground. We're gonna get a ride to the vehicles. Probably at a place where I'm not allowed to take pictures anymore.